Alright, so you've seen the dreamy Pure Pods on Instagram, the glass eco cabins in New Zealand, right? Or maybe you've stumbled upon Pure Pods water filters on Amazon, or those eco-friendly PurPod coffee pods. But here's the real question. Are these Pure Pods legit, or just another overhyped scam? I've dug deep, so let's break it down. First up, the luxury Pure Pods cabins. These are 5-star off-grid glass pods designed for ultimate privacy and insane stargazing. Think waking up surrounded by nature, but with a memory foam mattress. They're legit, with Booking.com ratings often above 9.0. People love the experience, though at almost $1,000 a night, some do feel it's pricey for what you get. Honestly, if you're looking for a once-in-a-lifetime escape, you won't be disappointed. Next, Pure Pods water filters. If you've seen these on Amazon, relax. They're the real deal. Over 400 reviews, averaging 4 stars, and they actually improve water taste, great for Brita Jug users. Just a heads up, the subscription model can be tricky to cancel, so keep your eye on that. And for the coffee lovers, PurPod compostable pods. These fit K-Cup brewers, are plant-based, and have legit environmental certifications. Reviewers love the taste and eco-friendliness, but remember, they need commercial composting, not just your backyard bin. Now, there's also a PurePod aromatherapy diffuser. Great feedback, super easy to use, and real essential oils. But here's where you need to watch out. Some sketchy sites are using the Pure or PurePod name to scam people with miracle supplements or cheap weighted blankets. If you see wild health claims or unfamiliar websites, run the other way. Bottom line? The official PurePod brands are legit, but stick to their real websites. purepods.com, purepods.net, or purpod100.com. Don't let hype or scams ruin your next adventure.